Wait, seriously? I thought buying expensive things meant I was building wealth. But there's one mistake most people make. People use these words all the time. But most people never learn what they actually mean. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Think of it like this. An asset is something that has value and can help build your wealth. A liability is money you owe. Some assets can also cost you money to own. Now here's where most people get confused. Just because something has value doesn't mean it's making you wealthier every day. Some assets can grow your money, while others mostly cost money to keep. Take this car, for example. If it's only for personal use, it usually comes with expenses. But if it helps you earn income, it starts contributing to your finances in a different way. So don't just ask, is this an asset or a liability? Ask, will this help build my wealth over time? Owning nice things isn't bad. Just make sure you're also building things that grow your wealth. That's the real difference most people miss.